In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact number to Gmail quickly and easily. This is useful if you want to secure your account, help with recovery, or make it easier for Google to verify your identity when needed. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google account settings, where you can manage your personal information, security options, and recovery details. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account you want to add the phone number to. Once the Google account page opens, look at the left-hand menu and click on Personal Info. This section is where Google stores your basic account details, including your name, email, birthday, and contact information. If you're on a mobile device, you may need to scroll a little to find the Personal Info section. Now, under Personal Info, look for the phone option, click on it, and then choose Add Phone Number. Google may ask you to confirm your account before letting you continue, especially if you haven't made changes in a while. This is a normal security step to make sure it's really you making the update. If prompted, enter your Gmail password. This helps verify your identity and protects your account from unauthorized changes. After that, you'll be able to move on to the phone number entry screen. Now type in your contact number carefully. Make sure the country code is correct, because if the code is wrong, you may not receive the verification message. Double check the number before moving to the next step, since even one incorrect digit can stop the process from working properly. Once you've entered the number, click Next. Google will send a verification code to your phone by text message. Open your Messages app and look for the code from Google. Enter that verification code exactly as shown on the screen. This confirms that the phone number belongs to you and can be linked safely to your account. After the code is accepted, save the number and complete the setup. At this point, your contact number should now appear in your Google account settings. You can go back to the personal info section and confirm that the phone number has been added successfully. And that's it. You've now added a contact number to Gmail. This is a very helpful step for account recovery, security alerts, and keeping your Google account updated. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Gmail and Google account guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.